Hey, good morning, Six Blue. How do you do? Today is April 6th. Mark your calendars. This is the first day of distance learning. This is something that none of us have ever done before. So, this is definitely an experience, a day to remember. So, when you are older, say 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, you can tell your friends, your grandkids on April 6, 2020, we did distance learning for the first time. And who knows, by that time, this might be something that we do more often. I hope not, because we definitely miss you. I miss getting to see you guys every day. And this definitely isn't what we were hoping to come back from spring break from, but it is our reality. This is what we're doing. So hang in there. If you ever need anything, please feel free to email me or call my school phone at 763-745-6158, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, we could also do a video chat if you need be for any special instructions, or if you're just feeling overwhelmed or frustrated, which definitely might happen. So this is kind of a different thing, but we'll get through it together. We'll work together. So if you are watching this, that means you went to your Canvas calendar, you tapped on Social Studies Day 1 of Distance Learning, which brought you to this little page here, and there's a link that brings you to our first day of distance learning. So this calendar here that you're looking at will show you what we're going to do throughout the entire week. You'll just follow straight down. Monday, April 6th. These are the things you must do. And then right below here it says tap here to begin. You're going to do the same thing on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These links are not open yet, but today's Monday's April 6th is. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch an introduction video that is from all four of the social studies teachers that you'll kind of give an introduction of what this chapter is about. And then each day you're going to watch a short children's book reading that is talking and focusing on immigration and or migration to a different area. So we are hoping that the children's books will be kind of enjoyable for you, but also help you learn a little bit more about what immigration is about. So Monday, April 6th today, you're going to scroll down to where you see tap here to begin. When you tap on that, it'll bring you to this page, and it'll have your directions on what to do. You could do these in order, step 1, step 2, and then step 3. And today is just watching a couple videos. One is from Mrs. Krass, Mr. Bloomer, myself, and Miss Yeager. Again, just explaining the introduction into chapter 12, which is immigration, labor, and cities. You're going to watch a children's book called The Great Migration, The Journey to the North. And then there's a short quiz, which is a practice quiz that'll go into Skyward, just to show me that you're following along and give us kind of an understanding of how this might work throughout our distance learning. So please enjoy the videos. Please enjoy the story. They're great stories. And if you need anything, feel free to email me or call me at any point in time. If you start to feel overwhelmed or frustrated, take a short break, do some breathing, go for a little walk, and then come back and continue your work. This is a great experience for all of us. It'll teach you how to be persistent. It'll teach you how to stay focused and be more self-reliant on yourself, and with the help of your parents as well. If parents start to feel any frustrations or have any questions, I urge them to call or email us as well, and we're here to help each other out. We're learning day by day how this is working and how best to go about uh, helping you be successful with our schooling. Hang in there, miss you, and enjoy your distance learning today. Thank you.